Our knot for today is Tautline. But first, I will have to anchor this first by doing like this. Grab under, twist to make a bight, then grab this, what we call this, we call it as the standing end, tighten it, and there you go. So let's proceed to the other side. So we have now here the main line, and we will anchor also this working end to form the Tautline. So we will wrap it on the main line to inside the loop, another turn, and under, there you go. Now we have the Tautline. The use of this nut is for campaigning, especially when installing a tent and other purposes. So by doing this, we have to apply tension on the main line by holding like this. Pull there, pull, just repeat the same until you will get the desired tension. Okay, there. Okay, if we have to remove the tension, we just pull this pigtail or the working end towards this loop. So just like this, there. No more tension. So if you wanted also to add another turn in here, you may do so. There. But it's just the same. There. Okay. Again, we will remove the...
What did you say?
We will apply a tension, just like that. So, there you go. Okay. Now for this situation, by pulling this pigtail in order to remove the tension is a little bit harder because of the resistance caused by this another turn in here. So in order for us to easily remove the tension, we will do it just like this. Pull towards the rope. There you go. So there's no more tension. Okay, I hope you learned something on this video, and feel free to watch my videos on the description below. Please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you and God bless.